Hey, it's Perry here and welcome back to Thinglish Lifestyle. It stopped raining for like the first time in 3, maybe 4 weeks. So we're just getting out in the garden. So we had a weekend in the garden, getting it all ship shape and looking at a little tree around here. And we've got this tree right behind me here, which I'll show you in a second. And it's been grafted many years ago when we bought it. Half of it's a manao, half it's a lime, manao in Thai, and the other half is a Kaffir lime. So it's got two different kinds of leaves. The tree's literally 50-50. So let me show you. So here's a close-up of the tree. So you can see these leaves here are Kaffir lime. And if we just go over here, you can see very clearly these are limes. And the tree and the leaves are totally different shape, different colour. Let's get it there. Where are we? There. So different shape, different colour to the Kaffir lime ones, which are here. So there you go. And who have I found here working in the garden? Not only Katae. Yep, she's out in the garden. Yeah. So she's going to graft this tree. Yes. So we can get some more Kaffir lime trees. So let's go down and see what she's doing. So she's just picked a nice branch, nice healthy branch, lots of growth on this. And then she's cut it in with a knife. You picked the bluntest knife in the toolbox, honey. Let me come around the other side, see what you're doing.
You do all loud. Oh, where another one? Oh, forgot. One.
So hopefully she'll have 10 fingers when we finish this. So it's basically just peeling off a little bit of the bark.
Open it.
Yeah, just open it up.
You can see?
Yep, we can see that.
Closer, man. Okay. You can smell it, right?
Yeah, it smells good.
Really? You can smell
It smells like victory. Totally stripping it all the way around.
Yeah, do allow.
Too tough.
Yeah. They got Thai got spice.
Yeah. So this is called air layering. So what happens now, we've got this piece of the branch, took the bark off, and now Katae's going to get some soil. Get a bit of a plastic bag, get some soil. Generally we'd use coconut coir, but we don't have any kicking around at the moment. So just get some soil. This is actually soil made from coconut coir anyway.
Yeah, coconut coir.
Yeah. It's rich, it's quite moist. Exactly, yeah.
Quite wet already, you know?
Yeah, it's fine, it's good.
Okay, perfect. And
A little bit of string.
Loaf.
String.
Loaf.
It's not rope.
Okay, fine. Green.
It's very thin rope.
Yes.
Or string, as we like to call it. Okay. So, idea is to get it nice and tight around this tree. And what we're trying to do is encourage this part of the branch to sort of form in leaves, to form roots.
Wait. Sorry, I put too much.
Too much. Just gonna tie the string around the bottom so the soil doesn't fall out.
Wait.
You want me to hold it?
No. I do alone, but you just out of my way.
Okay. Come on, this side.
Okay. Perfecto.
Whoops,
Wait,
it's going
shit.
out. So it's going
Ow.
out.
Ay. No. Stop that.
So just tying it up at the bottom. Nice and secure. And the same at the top. Getting spiked. Some very nasty thorns on this tree. There we go, pretty quick and easy.
Quick and easy.
Still got 9 fingers, only lost one. It's not too bad. Do a few more trees.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah, we're doing
a few little holes in, let it breathe.
Yep.
Get some water in there.
it. Yeah, when the rain drop.
Yeah. Here comes the rain.
No, I put this side. But I did fine.
It's fine, yeah, it's pretty, the soil is wet
A little
anyway.
bit because that's soil wet already.
Yeah. So there we go. It's air layering a tree.
Oh, what did today?
Today,
Let's see.
Monday,
Maybe about
some date
2
in.
weeks, right?
Yeah. So it's about middle of August, not sure the date. It's middle of August, 2019. Literally no idea what day it is, where we are. And that's the grafting of the lemon tree, the manao tree, and the Kaffir lime.
Yeah.
Kaffir lime and lime tree. The Kaffir lime side. So that's it. Quick and easy. Ted's got her hands dirty.
Yes.
Dirty girl.
Oh,
She's got a spike in her finger. Let's have a look at your finger.
Not look nice.
Oh, you have as well.
Yeah, this one.
Do you want to get it out?
Huh?
Do you want me to get it out?
Yes, I did.
Got it. Cool. She will live to tell another tale. How's that, Katae? Get your hands dirty with Katae.